What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. If you have a Ford Fiesta or other Ford cars that have a key that looks like this and it's no longer able to work the keyless entry and whatnot, that probably means the battery is dead inside this key here. Not that difficult to get to. All you need to do, get you either a small flathead screwdriver or maybe the backside of toenail clippers, something that'll give you a probe, because you need to, first you need to slide this part of the key up. So just use some kind of something like this and just sort of prop on it, and then this will slide up. So put your little screwdriver, like in that slot right there, and just turn it a little bit. And then that little end will slide out. Hard to do with one hand, so bear with me. Just slide this piece right here out. Alright, once you slide that off, then you just need to split this part open, and the battery is inside here. So just use the same. You can use a quarter or another screwdriver and just pry this open from right there. Okay, and once you split it open right there, just pull it open and pull it apart, and there's your battery. It's a CR2032. It looks like this. I'll put a link down below where you can get it on Amazon, but you can get this at most of your big box stores and Walmarts and whatnot. But that's the battery you'll need right there. And you'll also need to use a small screwdriver just to see these little tabs here on the ends here. Just sort of spread one of them out a little bit. Then you can pry the battery out of that slot. And it goes as you see it, with the label facing up. Swap it out with a good battery or a known good battery, and then just pry it all back together. You just sort of feed it back together like this. Push it together. You'll hear it click in place. And then get the other part of the key and just literally just force it back in place. Make sure you're using the right end of it. It'll be like this. Okay, just sort of push it in place. You'll hear it click. That means it's in place properly. Then go test it on the car and make sure it works, but that should do it for you. Check out other videos. We got all kinds of stuff relating to cars, dirt bikes, motorcycles, ATVs, scooters, classic cars, hot rods, all kinds of stuff on our channel. So look for the thumbnails that pop up at the end, and also look at our social media links that are inside the description of this video. And that's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.